Friday, July 21st, 2023. This is right now midday, 12 o'clock at noon. And let's see what's going on. Let's take a look. Wow, look at this. Market opens up and just go chop sideways on the Dow Jones. Everything just nothing. 0.3%, 0.1%. Alright, Nasdaq relatively weak. It opens up, it gets up, gaps up, and came back right down, and now it's just going sideways, hugging the neutral line. News: Market Watch 9, allowing to build on longest win streak since 2021. Okay, so the Dow been going up for a while already. That's right here. Alright, wow, look at this. This is why you have to invest with the biggest economy in the world, biggest growth economy in the world. Number one. Alright, you buy that, you capture all these. Every time it comes down, buy. It's really that simple. First economy in the world, you buy those. So let's go on. Nasdaq rebalancing is coming in Friday. Okay. So, and everyone thinks that's rate hike next week will be the final one, except the fact, well, who knows, right? Again, look for the fact afterward. Unless there's very good indication, confirmation what they're doing, but still, that is always that 5-10 standard deviation event that blow every traders out. Alright, so you have to wait for confirmation. Wait for the probability to be on your side. Okay, let's go to charts. Just go right to it. SOXX, alright? So I have a trade still on SOXX. I did a broke out. Now it actually broke through. The question is, is this a breakout failure? There's a breakout bar. I open on the day after it make a new high, and then went up a little bit more and then start coming in. First we retrace, and then now we broke right through. So what do I do? The question is nothing. I still have time on my side. It's still hugging a nice line right here. See my regression channel? This dotted line? It's still hugging this line. Chances are, if you give me a false hammer, give me a tail, right? Sellers comes in, push it down, went through this line, and then buyers come back in and bought it back up, giving me a false hammer. Candlestick bar. I will open the second leg on this. I will sell another 15 delta below. Sell a 18, 20 vertical put spread. If it give me that false hammer. If not, then I will have to see. Right? Again, I won't lose money until here. And if my max loss is 425, right? Risk reward ratio wise, this is not a good one. I just don't want to take it. Just say, oh, it's fine. Alright. So, but statistically, when I open the trade, it was a good one. So I'm gonna let it play itself out. I'm gonna let it do its down move, and then wait for it. If I can add in a position, if bias comes back in, I will add my second leg. I always go leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 anyway. I'm looking to add. Alright, if it goes my way, then I don't add actually. Now I will take the profit. Right now, I may add. Alright, depends again on the price action confirmation that it give me my setup. Then I will open another put spread vertical. I will sell the put spread. I will sell the put, sell vertical. Alright, and then just ride with it as it recovers. Alright, now I know where the ceiling is. This is my profit target. If it ever comes back up here, my first profit target. If I have a second leg. If not, I might even just depends. It depends, but I might instead of this profit target previously because it's showing weakness now. If it bounces back up, I might just say, hey, either I close it for maybe just nothing, or I will wait for it. Again, it depends on the market's doing, what the bottom markets want to do. Depends on the price confirmation. That's where experience comes in. That's why you have to kind of like study this chart, look at it every day, start reading what the market want to tells you. Don't make assumptions, just read. Read the bar. Every bar have a story. Right now, it's an inside bar. What's the inside bar? You see this bar? It's smaller and shorter than the previous day. So this is an indecision. Nothing's going on. The market don't know what they want to do, basically. That's what it's telling me. Right? So it's an inside bar. And what do I do with inside bar? Nothing. I have my trade, I have my setup, and we follow through. And every day, I'm still making a little because I sold the premium. And if it expire by August 18th without closing below my strike price plus the premium that I sold for, and I still make money. And the only way I lose money is actually this really comes off, and it can happen. It can happen. Right. So a breakout trade is actually not as good as a false hammer, trend following retracement and reversal on that. The probability of this is a little lower, but still, and it depends on a few factors. How long's consolidation been, and the bottom market too. The bottom market once it comes in a low, then it is what it is. Yeah, actually, the next big, if it's actually really the whole market really retrace, alright, the 200 moving average is the big one. But I will have long lost. This trade will have lost me money. Again, this is not a good risk-reward ratio. 1 to 4 is typically the max I do. So for every every $4 I stand to lose, I must make $1. But this is more of an example play. I might even close it out early if things are not going my way. Really. Even if it comes down below losses, as long as I still have time, alright, it might bounce back in the end. So there is multiple scenarios I still can pocket or not make a loss in the end. Right? That's why when I opened the trade, it was 18 delta, 100 minus 18, give me 82% chance of winning. Just statistically on that. Just that. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll have to see. All right, let's go back to the border market. So look at these market. Inside bar doing nothing, right? It's still hugging. See, this is a break up, and then it's still above the breakout line. The yellow line is where the consolidation, the smaller consolidation, bigger one, indecision, and it broke out, and this went up, and it's still above. So the QQQ is still strong. This is strong, right? The breakout right here, right? So the border market is actually relatively strong, but it just SOXX. SOXX was the leader this whole year until right now. But it's still within the up channel, still really nice. So I expect, to tell the truth, I expect it to going to test this and go through again. At that point, I have to judge whether I close the trade for like very little profit or no profit, or just take a trade out, or ride with it. And again, it depends. Depends on news rolling out next week or the weekend. So that is the continuation of this trade. This trade has until the 18th. Let's extend that. I have all these time until my option expire, and in between it can go down, go up. It doesn't matter. It just either it goes up, I take my profit, half of my max gain. That's what I target for, my first target, or it close above my strike plus the premium that I pocket, I still will win. Again, you have to go through this, go below that price on option expiration date. I have all these time for this trade to develop, goes my way, and take my profit. Of course, it could be other way around, go through, and then I'm like, okay, I might have to take the losses. But it's still above this white line. This is 21 moving day average. It's hugging it nicely. So, and then I have all these resistance level actually, if I look at it. So it's still within this up channel, this whole block. right? And as long as that broader market stay that way, it might have a shot. All right, so let's look at the semiconductors. All right, why is it doing this? If you look at NVIDIA, that was the needler 1, 2, and 3. Make a nice, very nice 3-wave up wave, peak, right? 1 peak, 2 peak, 3 peak. And so it's just a little hesitant right now, but it's still above this breakout level. Right? So yeah, so NVIDIA is still looking good. Let's get this. Alright. Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft come off the breakout. Right, that's huge pop, a huge tail. That is a sign that people are taking profit. Sellers came back in. That's what it's telling me. Right. So we have 3 days. Let's see if a 3-day reversal on Monday or 5 days. Alright. So that we'll see how it plays out next week on the next Monday, or Wednesday. Right, Netflix. Tesla. Let's look at Tesla. Yeah, seems like a little tail, yeah. So, Meta is weak, huh? Meta get crushed. Alright. As you notice, the down momentum is always quicker. They take a long time to build up, and then 2 bar will raise everything. And so that's why option pricing, the puts are always more expensive than call, because the down momentum, people are scared. People are scared. They just knee-jerk reaction, and they just want to get out, right? And then they reassess the situation. That's why the up bar, right, unless it's very positive, right, the greedy people is not as powerful or strong as the people who are scared. It's just the nature of things. You're scared, you run, right? So yeah. Okay, let's go on. Qualcomm, nothing. Intel. Intel is weak. AMD, these guys being kind of like this, right? TSM, yeah, they all head and shoulders. So you have half of them is kind of like relatively weaker. It's still above this level. Let's extend this. It's still bounce off this level. So let's mark this yellow. This support level looking good. Still, So Mu Micron, not So yeah, so SOXX looks like it's coming in these few days after I open the tray, and let's see, VIX is still very compressed, very low. So the market doesn't expect anything dramatic, or doesn't see anything dramatic on the downside. These spike is when market is a flight to quality. When people are scared, then you have VIX volatility spike. As you can see, those big red bar happens. People are scared, people get out, so volatility will spike. BABA. Let's see. BABA going sideways now, right? So we'll have to see. Alright, still have 3 weeks for that trade, the SOXX trade to plays out. Alright, so on the broader market, we have kind of like 3 down days. Right? Maybe, and then we may have a couple more tests, this or not, and then we'll see what the broader market want to do, and potentially set up for a false hammer on the broader market right now. So I'm gonna sit well this weekend and let things works out and whatever. News comes out, and then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and we have Fed on next week too. So we have something. We might have another play next week. That's what I'm trying to say. Maybe we'll have a false hammer set up. That will be perfect. And we can go through the exercise. We can go through, actually open the tray if that false hammer comes up. And then I'll see that how it's pan out. It's the summer this month. I'm actually pretty lazy this month. Don't have much trade so far. Only 1 trade. And then that wasn't an ideal trade, but it's a 60% breakout. Always say 60-65% of the breakout. And then we'll see. Okay, that's about it for the week, for the Friday. It's been fun, it's been nice looking at SOXX. Open that breakout trade. And the next week we might have a false hammer. I'm going to open another more trade. And everybody have a good weekend. I see you all next week. Thanks for watching.